world never melted. But every spring, the other snowmen disappeared under the hot rays of the sun. The years passed, and Blizzard felt very alone. One cold winter morning, Blizzard saw something extraordinary. A fir tree had grown in the night. It's the most incredible, the most adorable, and the smallest fir tree in the forest. Suddenly, the little tree shivers and... Bless you, Blizzard says softly. Hearing these words, the little fir tree opens its eyes. Thank you, and... hello, I'm Robin. It's my first day of winter, and I'm kind of scared. Blizzard, warmed by the young tree, replied, "Don't worry, Robin. From today, I'll take care of you. If you have any questions, I'll search to the ends of the world for the answers." Thanks to the little fir tree, Blizzard's life is filled with joy. When the night falls, the two friends huddle together to admire the northern lights. And when the morning breaks, Blizzard and Robin watch the children make snow angels. How pretty they are. One evening, Robin told Blizzard, "I dream that a family from the village chooses me for their big Christmas party. I will be adorned with thousands of lights, surrounded by laughter and songs. But wait, I'm way too small." Blizzard understands his friend's wish, even if the snowman would prefer to have him by his side forever. "Robin, don't worry. Even if you don't grow taller, everyone will want to spend Christmas with you." Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and Christmas is just around the corner. In the forest, families are looking for the perfect tree. Robin raises his little branches to grow as best he can, but the villagers pass in front of him without even seeing him. "This one is way too small. It's not a tree. It's a piece of broccoli. It's tiny and ridiculous." One by one, all the big trees are chosen. They will spend Christmas in homes full of children, families, and friends. What about Robin? He remained in the forest. No one wanted him. He may be small, but a great sadness overcame him. Fortunately, Blizzard is here. How can he console his friend? How can he make the little fir tree's dream come true? Blizzard is looking for the answer in the starry sky. When he sees the North Star, he has an idea. A luminous one, you might say. "Robin! Robin!" The little tree wakes up with a start. "Yes?" "What if we went to the North Pole?" "Right now, you mean? But why?" "Because that's where Santa Claus lives. He can make all dreams come true. Those of children and even little Christmas trees like you, but only on Christmas Eve." Immediately, the little tree was filled with hope. He smiles at Blizzard and says, "Let's go! We have to hurry to the North Pole!" Blizzard gently picks up Robin, and off they go on a journey full of adventures. They fly over the forest of shadows where it's always dark. They glide over the frosty ocean where silence is king. They get lost in the great snowstorm and even fall into a gigantic ravine. Did Blizzard and Robin get lost? No. They find their way back thanks to their guide, the North Star, which shines with 1,000 lights. Finally, on Christmas Eve, Blizzard and Robin arrive at the North Pole. There, the wind is colder and the snow is wetter. The two friends are exhausted, but they must keep going. Slowly, a golden path appears. They follow it, and little by little, the air becomes warmer, more fragrant, and yes, it smells like chocolate. At the end of the path, the North Star lands on the roof of a shimmering house. It's covered with garlands and ribbons. It shines, pulsates, and seems alive. Blizzard knocks on the door. Are they in the right place? Yes, because slowly the house disappears and reveals the one and only Santa Claus with rosy cheeks and a beard as white as the moon. Oh, hello there, Blizzard and Robin. What brings you here? The two friends tell him about their snowy adventures.
Santa Claus, can you grant my wish?
Robin asks.
I need to grow taller. That way I can shine at the heart of the party and find my family for Christmas.
Santa smiles.
Oh, I see, Robin. It's not every day that I get such a special request. You know, every creature is unique. Your branches don't need to touch the sky for us to love you. Oh, tall or small, everyone has the right to shine. Now it's your turn.
Santa Claus waves his hand gently, and in an instant, Robin is covered with sparkling lights. He becomes the most radiant Christmas tree on earth. Santa Claus says tenderly,
Oh, and as for your family, little tree,
I think you already found it some time ago. Robin looks around, and when he sees Blizzard, he understands. From the very start, someone has chosen him and loves him unconditionally. A snowman with a heart of frost. Blizzard, Robin, and Santa Claus spend New Year's Eve together. Snuggled up by the fire, they listen to Christmas carols. They drink hot chocolate topped with whipped cream. The warmth of friendship fills the room, and outside, the snow dances with joy. It's their most beautiful Christmas ever. When the morning arrives, Santa Claus gives Robin and Blizzard a gift.